Good evening. Today is Wednesday in the third week in Lent, on the 18th of March in 2020. Today is also the first week of no school and no non-essential activities due to the coronavirus social distancing. Normally, we would gather together in person to reflect on the meaning of our Lord's crucifixion and death. However, since the best way to protect one another and to protect our community, not to mention our healthcare workers, is to isolate ourselves from one another, we will do this by YouTube. Because we cannot meet in person, we have prepared this Lenten devotional for you. This is our first attempt at doing anything of this scale, so I ask your understanding if the production values are less than Hollywood quality. This is our first attempt to put together a full worship service for you on YouTube so that you can watch, and better yet, participate with us. If everything goes right, we will move seamlessly from videos of the hymns to parts of the worship service and then back to the hymns. If we are not so successful, you'll have to click on the links to the parts of the worship service in order. Let me say a word of thanks to my ever-patient wife and son who will act in the short playlet, Watchers on the Hill, the Good Son. We had others scheduled to do the playlet, but due to social distancing, I can only use someone from my own household. My wife and son were kind enough to volunteer. At the beginning of every video, you will see me holding up a slip of paper with numbers. This is to help me keep track of which video segment is which. The next video you should see is a link, and I emphasize the should be a link to the hymn, Jesus I Will Ponder Now, followed by selections from Psalms 127 and 128. I invite you now to listen to Jesus I Will Ponder.